Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going over the sidelying knee to knee exercise, which is awesome for hip and knee stability. First, we're going to go through the setup. You have to stack your feet on top of each other, so make sure one foot's not forward in front of the other like that. Second, you're going to also make sure that when your legs are raised up in the air, there's a vertical line across your knees, so that ensures that your right leg isn't back here, because that's the way that people are going to cheat. Second, we're going to have our forearms on top of each other, because a lot of people are just going to cheat like this, and they're using this upper body momentum to make it easier for their hip internal rotators on this left side here. So again, we fold our arms on top of each other, make sure our feet are stacked on top, come on up, make sure there's a vertical line here, and then we're going to take in some deep breaths while holding. You can hold for as many breaths as you'd like. You can even include a weight in here. You also need to make sure that the side-to-side difference is minimal. So if your left side, which is often weaker here, is not up to par with the right side, you need to focus a little bit more on your left side. Check it out. Let me know what you think. Thanks.